Diversity basically means difference. Now, there must be a question in your mind that what type of differences? Let us understand this difference with the help of an example. Let's take the example of your family. In your family, you must be having father, mother, brother, sister, or both of them. So, the major difference between you and all your family members is on the basis of your looks. So, the first difference must be there on the basis of looks. Then, habits. Your father must be having a habit of reading newspaper in the morning, whereas your mother must be having a habit of doing yoga or exercises in the morning. So, the second difference might be on the basis of your habits. Next is sports. Now, your brother must be very good in playing cricket and he loves to play cricket, whereas you must be having a habit of playing, whereas your favorite is sport and you love to play badminton. So, the difference between looks, habits and sports. So, hopefully you have understand these three types of differences. Now, to understand the rest, we will take the example of our country India. Now, let us understand in much clearer view the meaning of diversity by taking the example of our country. Like a person who resides in Punjab will speak a Punjabi language. A person who resides in Gujarat will speak a Gujarati language. Similarly, a person who resides in West Bengal will speak a Bengali language. And a person who lives in Kerala will speak his or her own regional language. So, all the four persons might be different because they belong to different regions. So, there must be a diversity on the basis of region. And if there is diversity on the basis of region, then their food habits must also be different. So, Punjabi person will like to eat the Punjabi food. Similarly, West Bengal, a person who resides in West Bengal will like to eat Bengali food. Then, in India, as you know, there is a diversity in terms of religion, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Christians, Parsis, all these variety of religions are there in India. And when there is a difference in religion, then the festivals are also celebrated according to the religion. So, a Hindu will celebrate Holi, Diwali, Dashera, whereas a Muslim person will celebrate Eid, Bakrid and so on and so forth. So, hopefully you all have understand that diversity means difference and the basis of difference should be on the basis of looks, habits, sports, food, religion. While seeing this video, you should draw an image of your own self and you will realize that your image is quite different from the images which you are seeing here. The basic reason behind this is that every person has a unique style of drawing and every person has a unique style of imagination. So, the difference is there on the basis of the drawing style. So, every person have their own style of drawing. Now, all of you must have friends. And it is not necessary that two persons who are of same religion, same standard are friends, but people who are very different from each others are also friends. Now, I will narrate you a story of two boys. The greatest similarity between two of them was that their name was very much similar. Now I will narrate you a story of two boys. They were very much different from each other, yet they were very much similar. For instance, they have same name. They both have the name of Samir. Now, this was Samir 1 and this was Samir 2. Samir 1 goes to a school, whereas Samir 2 was a very poor child and he sells newspaper on the road. One day, Samir 1 meets Samir 2 on the road and Samir 1 asks for a Hindi newspaper. By hearing this, Samir 2 was very shocked as according to Samir 2, Samir 1 looks like a foreigner. So, Samir 1 asks for the Hindi newspaper. Samir 2 gives him a Hindi newspaper, but he was astonished to see how can a foreigner take a Hindi newspaper. And so he asks question to Samir 1, "Do you understand Hindi?" Samir 1 said, "Yes, Hindi is my subject." At this, Samir 2 was unable to understand the meaning of subject. Then Samir 1 explained to him the meaning of the term subject, as Samir 2 never went to the school and he do not know the meaning of subject. And in this way, the conversation between the two started and they two became friends. So, in spite of great dissimilarities between them, they became friends. Now, as I have told you that Samir 1 was very much different from Samir 2, now let us understand what was the difference between the two. Samir 1 was a Hindu, he goes to a school and he was a rich person. Basically, he was a rich person because he belongs to a rich family. Now, Samir 2 was a Muslim. He does not go to a school and the reason behind that was that he belonged to a poor family. So, his family cannot afford him to go to the school. Now, when Samir 1 and Samir 2 were different on the basis of their religion also, so Samir 1 was a Hindu and he celebrated festivals like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Durga Puja and so on and so forth, all the festivals which are there in the Hindu religion. Samir 2 was a Muslim and he celebrated festivals like Eid, Muharram, Ramadan and so on and so forth. All the Muslim religions were celebrated by his family members. So, in spite of these differences between the two, they were good friends. Now, let us understand the meaning of the term inequality. As you all know, inequality means not equal. But this not equal is on the basis of resources and opportunities. The term resource here means wealth, or you can say money, and opportunities means the opportunity to go to a school. So, this is the opportunity if we are talking at your level. So, resources and opportunities are unequal. Why? Because some people are rich and some people are poor. Now, we have already understand the meaning of inequality. Now, we will talk about caste inequality. As you all know, India has a caste system. The Brahmins are regarded as the top class and the Shudras are the lowest. Earlier, the difference in the caste was on the basis of their work. As you can see, Brahmins were the priest and academic class. Kshatriyas were the rulers, administrators and the warriors. Vaishnavas were artisans, traders, farmers, merchants, and the Shudras do the manual labor, means very low type of labor. And a new category was added, that was Dalit, on the basis of their work. They clean the street and do all menial tasks. So, they were the Dalits. So, in India, the caste inequality existed in the earlier societies on the basis of their work. But now this has been reduced to a certain level, but it has not been completely gone away. Hope you all have understood the topic well.